What if? The intrinsic possibility of these two words is what drives the future of technology. What if there was technology that combined the core elements of a complete smart home into one secure system? What if this system included professional-grade security, the kind that notifies authorities of burglary, fire, and medical emergencies? What if this system were integrated with an advanced communication platform, enabling the ability to control hundreds of smart devices throughout your home? What if you could record and stream real-time video surveillance directly to your phone? What if all this was done with one app, making your phone a virtual command center for your entire home? What if wearable digital technology not only kept track of personal health data, but included a panic feature that immediately dispatched authorities to your location? What if there was a company that understood the power of personal testimonies and referrals and the positive impact they have on the mass adoption of technology? What if the smart tech industry was currently being disrupted by a nationwide network of independent reps? What if this was your opportunity to change your financial future with an emerging multi-billion-dollar industry? The answers to these questions and more are being revealed at Accelerate Halo 2019. Are you ready to accelerate?